आज खंय तरी कोण एक दिल्लीचो पार्टी येयला त्याच्या खातीर स्पेशल ऑल गव्हर्नमेंट मशिनरीक हाडून गव्हर्नमेंटान उबी केला आमकां कळना कित्या खातीर म्हणून कितले ताका कितलो इनकम मेळटा एअरपोर्ट ऑथॉरिटी त्या पार्टी कडल्यान तुमी त्या इनकमा खातीर आयज गोंयच्या लोकांक तुमी धारे धरता एअरपोर्टाचो बरो एटमॉस्फियर पिसफूल एटमॉस्फियर एअरपोर्टाचेर आहा तो तुमी बिवडूंक सोदता
पण पॉयंट टू पॉयंट चालू जाल्यार तुमी
डेफिनेटली आमी बंद करतले आमी हेजिटेशन करता मागीर रावचे ना तो आमी आमचे अन्याय सहन करचे ना आमी इतले फाटले 40 वर्सां आमी आसा हांगा सर्वीस दिता
issue was I told him what is the thing, then they showed that is the permission, car rental. So we said fine, no problem, we will in the paid as if they are distributing, let them open a car rental account. But if they engage a taxi, private taxi to ferry, hire or any passenger from point to point, we will object. Because that is not their business, they are not supposed to do that. And we will ask you all to stop that. If you all don't stop, we will stop that. That is illegal.
मुरगांवचो उपजिल्लोधिकारी म्हादेव आरोंदेकर सांगता ते प्रमाण दिल्लीच्या कंपनीकडे काउंटर चलोवपाच्यो सगळ्यो परवानग्यो आसात.
Now they were this United Taximen were objecting, saying that license is for rent a car, but it is not mentioned as rent a car. It is mentioned as car rental maxicab. And as per Motor Vehicles Act, there is no bar for them to operate. There is slight confusion about the motor vehicle, the following of proper procedure by RTO, I believe. They should have mentioned that car hiring instead of car rental.
प्रुडंटा खातीर विक्रम नायक.